Health benefits of elderberry syrup. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the myriad health benefits of elderberry syrup, offering insights into its immune-boosting, antioxidant-rich properties for your well-being. Elderberry syrup, derived from the dark purple berries of the elderberry plant, Sambucus nigra, has gained popularity as a natural remedy with a variety of potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants and known for its immune-boosting properties, elderberry syrup has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Let's explore some of the key health benefits associated with the consumption of elderberry syrup. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. Immune system support. Elderberry syrup's popularity stems from its immune-supportive properties. Abundant in anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamins, elderberries are believed to enhance the body's natural defenses. Research indicates that elderberry extract may expedite recovery from colds and flu-like symptoms by mitigating their severity and duration. The potent combination of antioxidants in elderberry syrup may bolster the immune system, providing a valuable supplement to overall health. As a natural remedy with historical roots, elderberry syrup's capacity to fortify the body against common illnesses makes it a favored choice for those seeking immune system support and a potential ally in promoting wellness. 2. Antioxidant properties. Elderberries stand out for their rich antioxidant content, a key factor in neutralizing harmful free radicals within the body. Free radicals, unstable molecules, pose a threat by damaging cells and contributing to aging and various diseases. Elderberry syrup, laden with antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins, becomes a powerful tool in the fight against oxidative stress. By scavenging free radicals, these compounds aid in preventing cellular damage and fostering overall health. The ability of elderberry syrup to provide a natural defense against oxidative stress underscores its potential as a holistic supplement, promoting well-being and potentially mitigating the risk of age-related ailments. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. In acknowledging inflammation as a natural response to injury or infection, it's essential to recognize the potential hazards of chronic inflammation. Linked to various health issues, elderberry syrup emerges as a promising solution, housing compounds endowed with anti-inflammatory properties. This natural elixir holds the potential to mitigate inflammation within the body, presenting a particularly beneficial aspect for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. By curbing excessive inflammation, elderberry syrup not only addresses immediate discomfort, but also offers a holistic approach to supporting individuals grappling with chronic inflammatory conditions, contributing to overall health and well-being. 4. Respiratory health. Traditionally recognized for its efficacy, elderberry syrup has been a staple in addressing respiratory issues. Its potential lies in its ability to alleviate symptoms associated with respiratory infections, including bothersome coughs and congestion. The dual action of elderberry syrup, with its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, proves instrumental in easing respiratory discomfort. By mitigating inflammation and fortifying the immune system, the syrup becomes a valuable ally in promoting overall respiratory health. The historical utilization of elderberry syrup for respiratory concerns aligns with its contemporary reputation as a natural remedy, providing relief and support for individuals grappling with various respiratory challenges. 5. Heart health. Scientific investigations indicate that elderberry may wield notable benefits for heart health. The presence of anthocyanins in elderberries is associated with potential advantages, including the lowering of blood pressure and enhancement of overall cardiovascular function. As suggested by studies, the active compounds in elderberry syrup contribute to the promotion of healthy blood circulation, a pivotal aspect of cardiovascular well-being. Furthermore, the syrup's capacity to reduce oxidative stress adds another layer of potential protection against cardiovascular diseases. This amalgamation of positive effects positions elderberry syrup as a natural contender in the realm of heart health, offering a holistic approach to supporting cardiovascular function and potentially reducing the risk of related ailments. 6. Cold and flu symptom relief. Traditionally renowned for its effectiveness, Elderberry syrup has been a trusted remedy in alleviating symptoms linked to the common cold and flu. The syrup's noteworthy antiviral properties play a pivotal role in inhibiting the replication of viruses, presenting a potential reduction in the severity of symptoms commonly associated with respiratory infections. Symptoms such as fever, headache, and body aches may be mitigated through the action of elderberry syrup. This inherent capability positions elderberry syrup as a favored option for those seeking natural remedies to alleviate the discomfort of respiratory infections, offering a time-tested and nature-derived solution for individuals grappling with the challenges of colds and flu. 7. Rich in nutrients. Beyond its medicinal virtues, elderberry syrup emerges as a veritable treasure trove of essential nutrients. Elderberries, the foundation of this syrup, are bestowed with vital vitamins, including the well-known immune-boosting vitamin C, alongside vitamin A and a spectrum of essential minerals. Introducing elderberry syrup into your dietary regimen not only serves as a delectable addition, but also acts as a flavorful means to augment your nutritional intake. This infusion of essential vitamins and minerals contributes holistically to overall health and well-being. The incorporation of elderberry syrup into your diet thus extends beyond a medicinal approach, presenting a palatable and nutrient-rich complement to support your body's diverse nutritional needs. 8. Gastrointestinal health. Delving into its potential benefits, elderberry syrup may extend its positive effects to gastrointestinal health. The inclusion of dietary fiber and anthocyanins within elderberries offers support to digestive function. Research suggests that elderberry's impact on gut health goes beyond basic digestion. It may play a role in influencing the balance of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. This influence on the microbiota could potentially contribute to enhanced overall digestive well-being. The nuanced relationship between elderberry syrup and gastrointestinal health adds another dimension to its holistic appeal, suggesting that its benefits may extend beyond immune support and respiratory relief to positively impact the intricate workings of the digestive system. Conclusion: elderberry syrup has gained recognition not only for its delightful taste, but also for its potential health benefits. While it is not a substitute for medical treatment, incorporating elderberry syrup into a balanced and healthy lifestyle may offer additional support for the immune system, provide antioxidants, and contribute to overall well-being. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating elderberry syrup into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. If you find our videos informative, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.